about forgiveness. Shocking, I know. We like to write about forgiveness because we've benefited from so much forgiveness. This one is fun now. This is the Blacksmith. Sword with a thunderbolt crack. I carried my grievance through briar and glen, with names on my tongue like a curse and amen. They sharpened their whispers and salted my name. They dressed up their daggers in delicate blame. They smiled like saints while they buried the knife, and called it concern when they bloodied my life. So I crossed the hills where the black firs bend, with my broken steel and my will to amend. Make it whole, I said, make it keen, make it bright. Let it drink what they owe me before morning light. The forge fire opened one copper red eye. The smoke curled upward like judgment in sky. The blacksmith looked down where my anger had burned and said, child, not every blade broken gets turned. Beat it down, lay it low, let the hot iron glow. Vengeance is mine, let the bitter blade go. What you bring for the fight, I will turn toward the light. Plowshare and thorn from the sword in the night. Hammer and mercy, cold fire and cord. Christ took the nails and the wrath of the sword. Lay down your claim, let forgiveness be born. The king wore the crown made of vengeance and thorn. Come on, sing it! I said, you don't know what they stole with their lies. The sleep from my bones and the peace from my eyes. You don't know the laughter that followed my fall, the hands that threw stones then prayed over all. He laid my old blade where the furnace mouth sighed, and the metal went red like a wound open wide. No sword heals a sorrow, no edge makes you whole. A blade in the hand leaves a blade in the soul. He said, there is one who was slandered and tried, who answered with silence when liars cried. He carried no vengeance up Calvary's road, but bore in his body the curse you are owed. Beat it down, lay it low, let the hot iron glow. Vengeance is mine, let the bitter blade go. What you bring for the fight, I will turn toward the light. Plowshare and thorn from the sword in the night. Hammer and mercy, cold fire and cord. Christ took the nails and the wrath of the sword. Lay down your claim, let forgiveness be born. The king wore the crown made of vengeance and thorn. Steel to seed, mercy bleed. He hammered a plow from the spine of my rage, to turn over soil where the old war was caged. He pulled from the fire one nail black and thin, and said, this is how God made peace with your sin. Then twisted the thorn from the heat and the scar, a crown for the wounds I had carried so far. Not yours to repay, not yours to condemn. The judge of the earth has been judged for them. I fell to my knees by the anvil of grace. The fire made gold of the tears on my face. My hands had come hungry for blood and release, but mercy remained.